In a restricted open book exam, students are told what they can bring in. For example, 1 or 2 sheets of A4 paper only. You can write anything on those sheets, such as equations, diagrams, or summaries. You may have to hand these sheets in at the end of your exam. Another example is bringing your lab book into the exam with you. Just make sure you read your subject outline to find out what is permitted in your exam.
When I write my exam questions for open book, I design them to assess your understanding of the topic, not your memory. In example 1, the multiple choice question prompts you to remember and therefore only measures memory. In contrast, example 2 requires you to think critically about how to best represent the data that is presented. The choices in both examples are the same, but the questions are written differently to move from testing your recall to testing your application.
I regularly summarise my lectures, workshops and prac classes. This helps me reinforce the important ideas in my mind. Then I translate the main key points into my exam notes.
I organise my notes for the exam using highlighting and sticky labels. This saves time in the exam and helps me jump straight to the information I need.
I'm a visual person. I try to map out key theories, concepts or laws and how they relate to each other.
I like to use lists. Glossaries of terms and relevant equations are what help me. Sometimes I include an example of how they are applied.
I find that explaining a process or concept to a friend helps me clarify my understanding.
I read and understand my prepared notes or approved text before the exam because I know there won't be enough time to do so during the exam.
I found that the work I did to prepare my exam notes, the ones that I took into the exam, helped me learn and reinforce my understanding of the topics. I hardly use them in exam because I found I already knew the answers.
Okay, sounds really good.
Let's get started preparing for our next exam then.
Open book exam questions are designed to test your knowledge and how you apply it to real world problems. Bringing in your own materials will only help you if you understand the concepts. Good luck with studying for your open book exams.